Do you want to open your gifts?
Yeah.
Look at those ones. Do you want to open those ones? Behind you? Go behind you. Open those ones.
Yeah.
Right here, look. Come here, look. Layla, you want to help her? Look at your sister. Look, look, look. Look, look. Look behind you. Yeah. Who's this from? Is this from your auntie? So these are the gifts that she got for her party, and we're just getting around to opening everything. What'd you get? Here, look, rip right here. Look, look. You like ripping, rip this. Look. Any other time she wants to rip stuff, but now when it's like she's supposed to rip, she doesn't want to.
Layla, give this to your sister.
Show her what she got. Say, look what Auntie Laura got you. Can Amelia see it real quick? Put it on the floor. Look, Mia, look, look, look. Open the door. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Amelia. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Can you clap, 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 clap? Yay! It's your birthday. You're one. You won.
Yay!
Yay! Maka Amraha.
Yay!
Good job. Yeah.
We used to, but Daddy Pig looked after Mommy Pig's side. Said Daddy Pig. Embarrassed. We had the wrong kind of soil for the flowers. You and Susie had always been.
Hi, are you ready for breakfast? Your birthday breakfast? Your sign is hanging on for dear life. You tired? You're sucking on your finger. That means you're usually tired. It's breakfast time! It's breakfast time!
Happy birthday, Amelia! Happy birthday!
We made her favorite breakfast. She has some tater tots, scrambled eggs, waffle, fruit. She's watching her favorite movie. Hi, how is your nap? Are you ready to start your day and put your outfit on? Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Lorrien, and today is Amelia's first birthday. I'm about to get her dressed in her little birthday outfit. We're about to head out to Build-A-Bear, and then we're gonna go out and have like a late lunch, early dinner type of thing. I think we're gonna go to Rainforest Cafe. So just a chill day since we already did everything over the weekend and stuff. But we still wanted to make it a fact to celebrate her birthday on her actual birthday. So I'm about to get her dressed, get myself dressed. I did my hair and makeup. My makeup's not cooperating. This eye, it's always this eye. It just started cheering up. My allergies started kicking in and whatever. I still need to put my lips on, but yeah. Oh, you're standing now. Oh, you're standing now. You ready? You ready? Layla's ready for you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hi, look how cute you are. You're the cutest thing ever. You're excited? You're more excited for her birthday than she is. Amelia. Who's won today? Who's won today? Oh, it's so sweet. Okay. You ready to get your sister in her outfit? Yeah? Okay. We.
Hi, Amelia.
Oh. I just love these two.
Best friend.
Best friend! Oh my god, now I'm really about to cry and ruin all this makeup. Oh my god, I can't believe you just said best friends. Oh.
Best friend.
Oh.
Best friend.
Can I just see your cuteness? Yes, we had a different outfit, but Daddy didn't like that outfit. No, Daddy didn't like it. I had this outfit that I bought her off of Amazon.
I take it off.
And it's so cute, and it says 1. It's inside out right now, but Max said that her chest was out, so. And it was so cute in the back, it crossed, but that bow's not gonna last. I just wanted to show you guys how cute she looks with this bow. See? Alright, we won't use the bow. We don't use them in cars anyway, so. We are off to Build-A-Bear. Layla's more excited. You excited, baby? Yeah. Step on it. Oh, don't get scared. You gotta leave your foot on it like this. Look. That's okay, baby. Look. It's going. Look it. Oh my god, it's Mayo. Aww, it's Mayo. We're riding the elevator by ourselves because Layla wanted to take the escalator. Who would have thought the mall would be so fun? Family bathroom break. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Amelia's face. around for daddy. Amelia, turn around. Amelia, hey, hi. Amelia, you gonna protect us? She's like, ah. Oh, look at that. Oh.
How old are we turning?
One.
One? Alright, we have our own song on the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, all of us, you. Make some special day just for you. Hope you have a super fun time during the day. So happy birthday, Rainforest. Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Oh, you gotta make a wish. Happy birthday. Harder. Big one. Yeah, good job. Ooh, not the candle. Layla. Hey. I'm gonna give you some too, baby. Oh, look at that. Amelia. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's your sister have a little. Yeah. Caribbean music. Yeah. Yeah. See the fingers. See the fingers one time. Yeah. The girls are having a little fourth meal. They didn't eat too much at the restaurant because I think it was just too much going on with the little animals going off and just actually being out of the house. So I just made them some nuggets and the fries from the restaurant. And then bedtime is, there's daddy. Bedtime, oh no. Bedtime is gonna be soon.
Hi. Hi.
So we just put the girls to bed, and as I was putting Amelia down, I was thinking, like, I officially have 2 toddlers. I no longer have a baby and a toddler. I have 2 toddlers. It's about to get real from here on out. But I am gonna take a shower, relax. I have a bunch of videos to edit, so I want to start working on those. And yeah, just say thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Bye everyone.